Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you have been looking for an easy way to get CapCut for free without that annoying watermark, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to show you how to use CapCut in 2025 completely watermark free and without any hassle, whether you are creating vlogs, short film, or just need a simple editor. CapCut is the perfect tool and now you can enjoy it to the fullest. So stick around and hit the subscribe button and let's jump to it. So the first step to do is to go on your CapCut app, then select the video you want to edit. For example, I will add this one. You can add any of these premium tools on CapCut. For example, I will add a tool. First step is to download the transition, then they grab it to your video.
Whether you are creating vlog.
This is one of the transitions. Then you can go and select a Pro Audio, add it to the timeline, or you can add a text. For example, I will add text to CapCut for free. I use Filmora to record the screen, a PC screen, or you can add this tool, tool on your Windows 11. So click on a new, then select the full screen, then click on Start. Go back to CapCut, click on this button, then click this.
Welcome back to the channel.
Wait until the video is done, then go back and they click on this button to stop recording. This is the results.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you have been looking for an easy way to get CapCut for free.
And this way, you will have your video edited on CapCut with all the premium tools on CapCut without having to pay any penny to CapCut company. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe on our channel.